Hello everyone, welcome to Slow and Steady English. My name is Nora. In today's episode, you will learn easy English conversation at college with a friend.
We will talk after class. We will discuss the lesson. We will ask for notes. We will plan how to study.
This English is useful for college students, new students, and slow learners.
We will speak slowly. Please listen carefully.
You can repeat after us. Let's begin.
The class is over.
Yes, the teacher explained many things today.
How did you feel? Did you understand?
Honestly, I felt a little confused.
That is okay. It was a new topic.
Yes, new topics are always difficult.
When we talk about completed things, we use was in place of is and did in place of do.
Repeat after me. The class is over. It was a new topic. I felt confused.
Did you understand today's lesson?
I understood some parts. But I did not understand everything.
Which part was difficult?
The explanation about formulas.
Yes, that part needs practice.
The teacher spoke clearly, but I need more time.
Take your time. Learning is slow and steady. Repeat after me. Did you understand the lesson? I did not understand everything. I need more time. Let us sit here.
Ayaan, can I ask you something? Can I see your notes?
Yes, of course. Yes, you can check them.
Thank you. I missed one important point.
No problem. We help each other. If you need, you can take photocopy of my notes.
Your handwriting is neat.
Thank you. I revise my notes every day.
Repeat after me. Can I see your notes? I missed one point. Thank you for helping me.
Look at this page.
Okay. Oh, now I understand.
Reading again and again helps.
Yes, it becomes clear slowly.
Do not feel nervous.
Thank you. I feel better now.
Repeat after me. Reading again helps. I feel better now.
Are the exams difficult?
They are not difficult if we study regularly.
I worry before exams.
That is normal. Everyone feels nervous.
What should I do?
Study a little every day. Do not wait for the last day. You practice everything by writing on paper.
That is good advice.
As on time, writing is better than 10 times reading.
I do it since childhood, but still I worry a lot. Repeat after me. Exams make me nervous. Study every day. Do not wait till the last day.
Let us plan for exams.
Shall we go to library?
Library is a quiet place. We cannot discuss there much. It disturbs others.
Yes, you are right.
Let's go to canteen.
Okay, let's go. Let us sit near window.
Shall we study together after class? We can revise lesson.
Yes, that will help me a lot. And we can solve questions from previous exams.
Yes, two minds understand better.
I am happy to study with you.
Repeat after me. Shall we study together? That will help me. Two minds understand better.
I was very nervous about exams.
You are doing well.
Really?
Yes, you ask questions. You try to understand.
Thank you for encouraging me.
We all learn slowly.
Repeat after me. I was nervous. I am learning slowly. I am doing my best.
Now, let us practice together.
Please repeat slowly. The class is over. I did not understand everything. Can I see your notes? Thank you for helping me. Shall we study together? I feel nervous before exams. Studying every day helps me. I am learning slowly and steadily. Today we learned how to talk after class.
We learned how to discuss lessons, ask for notes, and plan study time.
Use these sentences in your college life.
Speak slowly.
Practice every day, slowly, steadily. Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.